Hi, this video is for Canyon Ridge students who are entering the 8th grade at Canyon Ridge Middle School for the 2012-2013 school year. This is a video tutorial for your choice sheet. First thing you want to do as you fill out the information at the top is look at the instructions, which ask you to bring the choice sheet home, review it with your parents, and then go online and do the complete the registration process by going to Texas MyZone. Step 2 tells you how to get to Texas MyZone. Also in those web links are a video tutorial for Texas MyZone, so you have some instructions there as well. After completing the choice sheet, you're going to go ahead and have your parents sign off on it and return it to your APS Quest or Avid teacher by Monday, April 16th. If you need any extra time or need assistance, please contact our CRMS Counseling Administrative Assistant at that number there. Section A are your required courses. You can see you have your language arts, your mathematics, your science, and your social studies. Science and social studies already have X's next to them because all students take the same science and social studies. When you go online to the Texas MyZone website, you'll see that those courses are already pre-requested for you. When we get to the mathematics course, if you are currently in 7th grade math, then you are scheduled to take 8th grade math at 2801. So you put an X there. If you are currently in PACE math, you'll be taking 2811, pre-AP Algebra 1. And if you are currently in algebra, in other words, you're a double PACE student, you will be taking 2821 or pre-AP Geometry. When you get to the Texas MyZone website, you will also notice that these are already preloaded for you based on the course you're currently in. Language arts, you have a choice. You can either take 1821, pre-AP Language Arts, with Ms. Hinojosa has already come and talked to you about, or you can take 1801, which is language arts. Depending on how much rigor you want, that's going to be for you to decide. One of the things that you might want to look at is also the course catalog. We move down to Section B. Section B are your required non-core classes. If you are currently in Quest, you'll put an X here next to Quest 8. When you get to the Texas MyZone website, you'll notice that you're automatically enrolled in that class. In other words, you will roll up automatically. If you do not want to be in that class, you will need to follow these instructions here. Additionally, if you are enrolled in Quest 8, you will also automatically be enrolled in Pre-AP Language Arts. All Quest students are automatically taking Pre-AP Language Arts. If you are not enrolled in Quest, you'll notice that when you get to the Texas MyZone website, you will be automatically enrolled in the General Apps class. So you'll put a check mark here because you'll be in General Apps. If you would like to be in Avid, or if you're currently in Avid, you can put a check mark here saying that you want to be in the class. However, you on the Texas MyZone website will automatically be enrolled in the apps class until you go through the application and interview process. Once you go through the application interview process, we'll pull you out of the apps class and put you into the Avid class. Same thing for students who want to be in Quest as 8th graders but haven't already been tested. You will be in the general apps class, and then after you test over the summer, if you qualify, we'll move you into the Quest 8 class. Moving on, remember, students have 2 electives. Section C now as 8th graders is completely up to you whether or not you take an elective from Section C or not, which is your PE or your equivalent choices. If you'd like to be in boys PE, girls PE, full year of dance, cheer, drill team, athletics for boys, which means you're playing football, or athletics for girls, you would put a check mark in one of those. You can only choose one from Section C. We encourage you to look at the online course catalog to look at all the prerequisites and find out all the extra information that you'll need to register for those courses. If you do put a check mark in Section C, that means you have 1 elective left, which means you can satisfy it by choosing 1 full-year elective from Section D or 2 half-year electives from Section E. If you did not choose something from Section C, that means you have 2 electives left. You can choose whatever combination you want. You can choose 2 full-year electives, or you can choose 1 full-year elective and 2 half-year electives, or you can choose 4 half-year electives. It's important to remember in these full-year electives that they do have prerequisites, so it's important for you to go ahead and look at the course catalog and find out as much information as you can before you select those courses. We do expect you to honor your full-year commitment. This is very important. Even in the Spanish class, it's a difficult class. Once you sign up for it, we ask that you stay in the class the entire year. Also, whatever classes you sign up here for the semester, if you sign up for the first semester class as art and the second semester as theater arts, once semester comes along, we do not make changes. So it's important for you to choose wisely here. We'll do our best at getting you your first choices. However, if there's a scheduling conflict, we'll give you an alternate choice in your electives. However, we'll do our best to get you your first choice. Once you're finished, have your parents sign it and, of course, return it to your APS, Quest, or Avid teacher by Monday, April 16th. Thank you.